AMC Entertainment and Adam Aron have settled the lawsuit that was holding up the AMC and ape conversion and reverse split. Now, a lot of people are touting this as amazing news and praising Adam Aron as the silverback savior that they have been brainwashed to believe that he is. But we're going to be going over the actual implications of this because this is terrible news for any AMC stock short squeeze to ever take place. It is great news for Adam Aron, the executives that work at AMC, AMC as a company, and the fact that AMC may continue to use retail investors as a bank account, getting free money for the rest of eternity and diluting AMC shareholders into oblivion. But we're going to be talking about what this means for you as AMC stock shareholders, how many shares you're going to own, and how much voting power the AMC apes will actually have after this is all over. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trades get each $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want it to be your asset, you need to hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, we got some numbers to go over. We're going to be talking about a little excerpts from the settlement here and what it means for you as an AMC stock shareholder. Now, we're just going to start here at the top, and it says, the obligation to make the settlement payment only arises if the status quo order has been lifted and the conversion has taken place. Subject to these conditions, the company, on behalf of the named defendants, has agreed promptly following the conversion to make a settlement payment to the record holders of Class A common stock as of the settlement class time, as defined below. The settlement payment will consist of 1 share of Class A common stock for every 7.5 shares of Class A common stock owned by such record holders as of the settlement class time, after giving effect to the reverse stock split. So don't think that is 1 new share of AMC for every 7.5 shares of AMC that you currently own. It's after the reverse split takes place. So you need to own at least 75 shares of AMC right now to receive 1 share of AMC after all of this takes place as settlement or settlement payment there. And this is going to be the 75 or 7.5 shares Class A common stock owned by such record holders at the time of settlement after giving effect to the reverse stock split, based on 51.9 million or 51,919,239 shares of Class A common stock post reverse stock split held by the plaintiff's class as of March 31st, 2023, an aggregate of 6,922,566 shares of Class A common stock would be issued in the settlement payment, with a total estimated 156,260,885 shares of Class A common stock outstanding after immediately giving effect to the conversion of AMC preferred equity units of Class A common stock. Now, wow, that 150 million sounded like a very large number, and it is. What does that mean? That means that all of the hedge funds that Adam Aron just sold shares of Ape to, Antera Capital, and so on, all of those hedge funds will now own twice as many shares of AMC than AMC stockholders own. Think about that. AMC shareholders are going to own 50 million shares post-conversion, and Ape holders, which is majority hedge fund owned, will own 100 million shares. Any of you guys that believe you can squeeze a company when the hedge funds own twice as many shares of AMC as the retail investors do have either been brainwashed by Adam Aron or have really bumped your head somewhere along the line. We cannot squeeze a company if they own twice as many shares as we do. Now, when retail investors owned 90% of the company, we stood a chance. But the dilution and the dilution and the dilution and the praising of Adam Aron drastically ruined any chance of that happening. And this settlement puts the nail in the coffin. Now, anybody looking at math, we've got some good math out there, and it does check out. To break it down, AMC does a 1-for-10 reverse split. The amount of AMC common shares after this is going to be 51,919,239. The settlement payment is paid out at a current shareholder, one new AMC for every 7.5 shares held. Ape does the 1.10 conversion and now has a total of 104 million shares outstanding. Twice the number of shares outstanding as Ape or AMC shares that are going to be outstanding. That's the part that just takes my soul right out of my body and rips it to shreds. The hedge funds that Adam Aron diluted to and sold AMC or Ape to are going to own twice as many shares as there are AMC outstanding. And that is devastating, knowing that he is going to dilute AMC even further after this conversion takes place. The total amount of AMC after conversion reverse split is the 51 million plus the 104 million, giving us 156 million. You hold 150 shares of AMC right now and 150 shares of Ape. After the reverse split, you've got 15 shares of AMC and 15 shares of Ape. You're going to get 2 new shares of AMC because for every 7.5 shares that you've got there, you're going to get an additional 2 shares. So if you get 75, you get 150. I mean, you could reduce these numbers down a little bit and do 75 and 75 if you wanted, but your total shareholdings would be 32 shares after all of this takes place if you own a combined current 300 shares of AMC and Ape. If you were buying during the run-up to $72, we are talking massive amounts of money, guys. We are talking, $20,000+ in order to have 30 shares of AMC left. Here's the kicker. After this 1-for-10 reverse split, if your cost average is $30 per share, you need AMC to reach $300 per share to break even. If your cost average is $40, you need AMC to reach $400 a share to break even. If your cost average, if you are lucky and your cost average is $8, $9 per share, AMC needs to go above $80 per share. Go take a look at MCOM. That HLBZ, the one that took on the naked shorts. Go take a look at them after their reverse split. What typically happens after a reverse split is not good for shareholders, especially if there's the threat of dilution on top of that reverse split. Adam Aron, in my opinion, has single-handedly driven the stake into this short squeeze. And if anybody thinks that this is a bullish move for an AMC stock short squeeze, I really don't know how to twist this into such. Anyone promoting dilution, anyone promoting Adam Aron, anyone promoting AMC stock in a bullish manner because of this, I cannot get on board with it. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.